Okay, people, I'm going to show you why you have manifested a specific person that is mistreating you. Now, this guy, this is your specific person right now. So it's a he or she. I'm just going to say he is the one that is mistreating you, ghosted you, is not showing you the love and affection that you want and deserve, and you would like to do this to them. Now, if they've ghosted you and they're not talking to you, you might want to do this to them. And I get it. But the thing is, unfortunately, this guy here was created by you. And how was that done? By your yesterday's thoughts. So yesterday, how you thought about yourself and how you thought about them, or both, is what you created this guy here that you want to hurt, right? So that's the key thing that to understand is this guy, you created him. So if you created this guy, could you not create this guy who treats you like a queen, this guy who respects you, who can't stop thinking about you, who's blowing up your phone? Of course you can. So let's do it. So what do? Again, going back to self-concept. How do you see yourself? So if you're sitting there saying, why doesn't he love me? I am so lovable. I'm so amazing. I know how amazing I am, Christine, but yet he still treats me like crap. Yeah, but is your story that you know how wonderful you are, but nobody else in the world sees it? I have a lot of clients that were like that. Their self-concept of themselves was pretty good, but they were like, but nobody else sees it. Again, it's all about how you see yourself or how you see the world, how you see them, how you see other people. All this self-concept stuff, it's not complicated. It's just what is going on in your head about yourself, about the world. So stop creating this kook here and let's make this guy. But the thing is that when you're doing your self-concept work, I don't want to call it transitional stage because then it gets really complicated. People say, you can change like this. Yes, absolutely. You can change your self-concept in an instant. Manifestation is instant. But for most of us who've had this programming, who's been told or have come to believe as a child that we were not good enough, we're going to create this guy. And this guy is called Mr. Hot and Cold. But it's really important that you keep persisting in here because you're going to start seeing it. They'll be like, sometimes he's really, really all into you. And then the next day, bang, it's like as if you don't even exist. Normal, because it's the state that you're in, right? Sometimes you're like, no, I still don't really believe that I'm good enough. And other times you're like, freaking right, I'm the bomb. So you're going from state to state. You're going from I'm not good enough to I'm good enough. I'm worthy, I'm not worthy. And you're doing this back and forth. And it's okay. That's a normal transitional thing to do if you want, right? I didn't change my self-concept like this. It took me a couple years, but it didn't only took me a couple weeks to really start seeing this guy, Mr. Hot and Cold. And that gave me the motivation to keep going. And again, this whole self-concept thing, it's a journey. Some days are good, some days are bad. But as long as you take accountability and you realize that everything is done and created by you, you can still keep persisting and saying, okay, I'm going to keep going until I get this guy, Mr. Wonderful, right? But in this phase here, what's important also is that you don't respond to your 3D or don't react to your 3D. Now, a lot of you are saying to me, but Christine, if he says this and he calls me a bitch and he says I'm crazy, what, I'm just going to take it? No, you don't need to take it. Absolutely not. But watch how you respond. So instead of saying and this there, what I want you to do is go, you know what you just said there really hurt me. And I don't appreciate it. So I'm just going to take a break. So I'm just going to remove myself from this conversation. So do you see how you valued and respected yourself, which is number one? Okay. And then you haven't really done anything in your 3D to fuck it up if you want. Okay. So that's what I mean. So react in your 3D in a very neutral way, respect yourself, remove yourself, and know you're going to be changing this guy because you're like, this guy's going to be like, bye-bye, see you later. And Mr. Hot and Cold, yeah, I don't really like you either, but I'm going to keep persisting in my self-concept of myself, self-concept of you, and I'm going to get this guy because I deserve it. Think about it. It's a real life changer.